Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use the Swiss Travel Pass. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to actually use our Swiss Travel Pass, the first thing we'll need to do is buy one if we haven't already. And this can be done by visiting the Swiss Travel Pass website, which I'm on now. And once you land on this page, we just want to scroll down a little bit and we can choose buy now. From there, we get taken to this page and we should be able to see this option that says Swiss Travel Pass. And we have the option for 3 days, 4 days, 6 days, 8 days and 15 days. So you want to choose whichever one is best suited to you. From there, you can either sign into your account and complete your purchase, or you can do it as a guest. For this option, I've just chosen as a guest. So you just want to fill out all this information. And that includes stuff like passengers, travel options, such as the first or second class. And once we've gone through all this and we're happy, we can go ahead and click continue to finish the purchase. Now, once you have successfully paid for it, you will receive the pass in your email, and you should get a PDF like this that has a code, and you can store this PDF on your phone. So now that we've bought the travel pass, how do we go about using it? So it's actually very simple, and it basically only involves using this PDF pass. So on travel days, you can actually travel as much as you like on trains, boats, buses and trams. And you don't need tickets, but you will need this PDF that has been emailed to us after we've bought the ticket. So we can simply just show them that and we can travel as much as we like. Now we can also use it for museums because we can visit more than 500 for absolutely free. All we have to do is show this travel pass at the entrance and we will be let in. So basically, all you have to do in order to use your travel pass is show them this PDF with your QR code, and from there you'll be able to travel as much as you like and visit all the museums you want by just showing them this pass. So that's exactly how you can use the Swiss Travel Pass. I hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully you now know exactly how you can use your Swiss Travel Pass. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say I helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.